Now, we already have means connection, or we already joined GRATA, I think in the late of October 2025, right?
Yeah, that is correct.
Few months already.
Yeah.
So Wajdi, so far for our firm, have we gained a new client or project through this networking?
Definitely. We have increased both the number of inquiries for our legal services and confirmed engagements by new clients. Not only that, inquiries from international clients has increased drastically from GRATA International offices globally. We also have more direct inquiries from international clients by virtue of our rebranding as an international law firm. Besides that, we also have the advantage of servicing multinational companies from Malaysia who is venturing abroad or already has business abroad in countries that we have associate offices through GRATA. Okay. The way I see it, if this momentum continues, inshallah, I'm positive that our law firm will expand and double its size and business in about 2 years' time. Well, we have been working together even before we tied up with GRATA, and for the last 1 month we have been working very hard together to keep up with GRATA's expectation. So you yourself, can you share some of our experience or your experience working on cross-border project with other GRATA offices?
Yeah. We have one client that we serve, Malaysian client, who come and approach us that they have received. Actually, they are from oil and gas company, and they are getting supply from a Kazakhstan company who can supply the whole amount that they wanted for the oil. Okay, so they come to us and they need our expertise and our linkage with our partners in Kazakhstan to have checking on the company who are dealing with them, going to supply the oil for them. Okay.
Is it this one that you together with our lawyers and work with GRATA in Kazakhstan and they carried out some legal due diligence?
Yes.
Is it that one?
We contact them and we get them for doing the due diligence.
I see.
And background checking. And surprisingly, the company have used the forged document actually.
I see.
Okay. They are not genuine. Okay. So even though our client already make some initial payment, but they are very grateful because after our due diligence with our counterpart, with our associate office in Kazakhstan, we already save them from become a victim of some sort organized crime, or we can call them a scam.
I see.
Rather than they are losing so much. Okay,
that could be a disaster lah.
That's the good part of we have a counterpart or partners or association with other international law firm. Okay, so that our local client, they know that we have a very genuine or trusted partners outside Malaysia that they can trust. They can come to us. Okay, rather than they do searching maybe in the internet, which maybe the firm also have a not good background. Like us, we already know who are our counterpart, who are our associate. Okay, so it's a very good also for this networking. especially for WCO with GRATA International, because we have 27 now, 27
27 offices
yes, offices
all over the
through
world.
the world. Right?
That is a very important point when you bring up, because nowadays our community tend to trust online information easily. Even professionals are relying, or businessmen are relying on information at their fingertips. But they have to be realistic. After they have identified certain parties that they want to do overseas, they need to go through proper channel. Okay,
Yes.
obviously they can go through the channel provided the government agencies like Matrade, MIDA would have 3 offices stationed in some countries, but we provide alternatives, because we provide direct access to lawyers overseas, which minimize their time for them to do the assessment and decide. They can decide faster than through other channels. Okay.
I think we need to have a very close relationship with other government agencies who have a position, or they are responsible for outside or international business, like MIDA something, then Matrade, and Kementerian Luar Negara, so that we can position ourselves
Yes,
within the government agencies.
definitely.
So after we are working together with GRATA International, Wajdi, did you see that WCO itself has positioned or put our firm visibility in the Malaysian market or Malaysian client?
Just now I was talking about our presence overseas, whereby local companies started to know us more when they want to go to certain countries, especially where GRATA has strong presence, like Kazakhstan, those former Soviet countries, for example. But equally in Malaysia, we have become more well known to the local companies. Okay, the reason behind this is, number one, people start to know, and of course we have to share the good news that we are the sole associate office for GRATA International in Malaysia. You know, out of thousands of law firms in Malaysia, and maybe the majority in Kuala Lumpur, we are still handpicked by GRATA International to become their associate member, associate office in Malaysia. Okay, and since GRATA has strong presence in Kazakhstan and in Central Asia region generally, like I say earlier, local companies started to know us at the forefront of the market for those countries. Okay, and because of that, we have local companies reaching to us specifically because they have dealings with those countries, like the case that you mentioned just now. What I understand, Wisma Putra referred our firm to that company, and in fact I was told that by the client that they had 2 choices. One, a very big international law firm, and number 2, our firm. So finally, in a way, the client told us that they chose us because they are more comfortable with working with a localized law firm with international presence. Secondly, we are building our name as an international law firm among companies who does cross-border business, especially in energy, online business, and technology, multimedia, and telecommunication. Okay, I hope you also realize now we are following very closely behind other international law firms in Malaysia. No doubt they are much ahead than us, but we are following closely with them, especially in those market that I mentioned just now, that they have lesser presence. So in a way, we can still compete with them for those market. They always say that it's a blue ocean economy.
Right.
Okay, Yusuf Rizal, thanks a lot for making time today
I
to
think
have
enough
this.
because we have a lot of cases to handle also.
Yeah, lawyers are at this.
Luckily, we don't have any court case for this morning.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Okay.